Welcome to this use case scenario on filtering jobs in AAI using the Query Builder. In this scenario, we will explore how you can build syntax-based filters to identify nested box jobs in AutoSys. You'll learn how to combine job attributes, execution data, and scheduler-specific properties with the AND or the OR logic to narrow your search. Meet Chris. She's an operator at Apex 10, a fictitious global financial services firm. During her shift, she's responsible for monitoring an orchestration-heavy ETL process on the AutoSys scheduler. Many of these ETL workflows are built with nested box jobs to coordinate complex stages of data extraction, transformation, and loading. Chris needs to surface nested box jobs in trouble states so she can focus on orchestration points that require immediate attention. Chris begins her investigation on the All Jobs page in AAI. She clicks the Advanced Filter icon next to the Standard Filter menu. This opens the Advanced Search dialog with the Filter tab open by default. This is where you can define advanced filter conditions from an extended list of predefined attributes. Chris switches to the Query tab and clicks Enable Edit to activate the entry field where she can build her query. Chris begins typing job in the field. AAI auto-suggests matching job properties, which appear in a drop-down. Chris selects job type to get started. She types matches box to filter for box type jobs. To narrow the results to AutoSys jobs, she adds an and logical connector, starts typing her next filter condition, and selects the scheduler attribute from AAI's suggestions. For this condition, she uses contains and enters AutoSys to capture all relevant instances. Next, Chris wants to identify box jobs that are nested within other boxes. She selects the container path attribute from the suggested list, which indicates parentage relationships. Chris adds the condition exists to ensure only those box jobs which are nested in a box job are listed. She then types a new nested condition in parentheses to filter for the most recent job status to match the failure state. To expand her scope, Chris uses the OR logical connector to include the most recent job status, set to match the inactive state, and closes the parentheses to complete this nested condition. With all her filter conditions defined, Chris clicks on the Apply button. AAI now returns a focused list of about 40 jobs that meet her criteria. Chris exports this list as a CSV for further analysis and sharing. And with that, we conclude this use case scenario on using the Query Builder to define syntax-based job filters in AAI. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what we learned from this scenario. From this scenario, we learned that you can use the Query Builder to define complex, syntax-based job filters. Combine job-specific, scheduler-specific, and job execution attributes in a single query. Apply nested logic with the AND or the OR connectors to capture multiple attributes. Leverage attributes like container path to identify nested box jobs. And export filter job lists for deeper analysis or reporting. Thank you for watching.